What's the meaning of contrition? Contrition. Contrition.
Contrition. Contrition. Contrition is a feeling of remorse or regret for one's wrongdoing. It involves acknowledging the harm caused to others and showing sincere sorrow for one's actions. A person experiencing contrition may seek forgiveness from those they have wronged and take steps to make amends for their behavior. This process can lead to personal growth, improved relationships, and a greater sense of empathy towards others. Ultimately, contrition can result in a reaffirmation of one's values and a commitment to living a more ethical and compassionate life.